In American English. Hiccup. Hiccup.
In British English. Hiccup. Hiccup.
In Australian English. Hiccup. Hiccup.
In Welsh English. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Thank you for watching this video.